Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy. Okay, learning your homework, learning your notes, learning your poem. Okay, so today you know what we are going to do? Today we are going to do English, but poem 8, for people work, we will do notes. Whatever things you have written in that fair book, we will revise this once again. We will see what you have not written. If you have not written, then write it. Okay, I will send you PDF. Okay, children? So notes we will do again. So first what we will revise? Hard words, meanings, give one word, fill in the blanks, true or false, rhyming words and question answer. See, you all have written in your fair book. You have completed your fair book. But now this is your revision. You watch this video so that you will understand everything. If you are missing, you can write it and understand it. Okay, children? Yes. So now see, words. Neagle. Hard words, neagle. Now see, this is a tailor. Number 1, neagle. N-I-G-E-L. Neagle. Nailer. N-A-Y-L-O-R. Nailer. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Makes. M-A-K-E-S. Makes. Trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers. Okay, children? So now you all know suits. S-U-I-T-S. Suits. And shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Okay? See now. Neagle, nailer, tailor, makes, trousers, suits, shirts. Okay, children? Now next. Number 8. Penny. P-E-N-N-Y. Penny. Number 9. Proctor. P-R-O-C-T-E-O-R. Proctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-E-O-R. Doctor. Comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Okay? Now see. Penny, proctor, doctor, comes, hurts. You have learned this very well. Now see, number, which number? Very good. Number 13. Peter. Number 14. Palmer. P-A-L-M-E-R. Palmer. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats. Ship. S-H-E-E-P. Ship. See, we will revise. Peter, Palmer, farmer, goats, sheep. Okay, children, you all have done now in your fair book. You know how to read now. Now number, which number? 18. Yes, Wendy. W-E-N-D-Y. Wendy. Witter. W-I-T-T-E-R. Witter. Babysitter. See the spelling of babysitter. B-A-B-Y. Baby. S-I-T-T-E-R. Sitter. Babysitter. Minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds. Kids. K-I-D-S. Kids. Asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. Okay, see now we will revise. Wendy, Witter, babysitter, minds, kids, asleep. Okay, children? Now see number. Which number? 24. Okay. So country. See, this is country. 25. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Work. W-O-R-K. Work. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. 28. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. World. And round. See now. Country. People. Work. Town. Night. World. Round. Okay, children? Now you all have done these hard words. So now meanings. We will revise it. Minds. What is the meaning of minds? Can you tell me minds? Very good. Take care. Take care. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Country. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Country. Village. Minds. Take care. Okay? See here. Minds. Take care. Country. Village. Okay? I hope now you all have done this. You have done? Very good. Now give one word. A person who sews clothes. A person who sews clothes. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Number 2. A person who gives medicines. That is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Number 3. A person who has a farm. See, this man is having a farm. So what we call? Farmer. Very good. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Number 4. See the picture. From picture only you will be able to answer. A person who looks after a child when the parents are not at home. That is babysitter. B-A-B-Y. Baby. S-I-T-T-E-R. Babysitter. Okay, children? Very good. Now you all have done this in your fair book, no? You have completed, give one word. If you have not completed, then complete it from PDF given. Okay? So now fill in the blanks. See the fill in the blanks. Number 1. Niggle, nailer is a, then there is a blank. Niggle, nailer is a, who is he? Niggle, nailer? Tailor. Very good. See the spelling of tailor? T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Niggle, nailer is a tailor. Number 2. Penny proctor is a, see here, penny proctor. Can you tell me who is she? Who is Penny Proctor? Now this is revision. We are revising. We are doing notes that you have completed also in your fair book. Penny Proctor. Who is she? Very good. Most of them are giving answer. Penny Proctor is a Doctor. See the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Very good. Number 3. From the picture only you will tell me. Farmer, no? Yes. Peter Palmer has cows and there is a blank. And sheep. What is he having? Peter Palmer. Now you all know reading, no? Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Very good. Those are answering. Number 4. Wendy Witter. This is fill in the blanks, huh? Wendy Witter minds the kids. Very good. Those are answering. Wendy Witter minds the kids. See the spelling of minds? M-I-N-D-S. Minds. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Okay. Number 5 is people day and night. People work day and night. See the spelling? Work. W-O-R-K. Work. People work day and night. Very good. Now fill in the blanks all together. You all have done just now also. You have written in your fair book as well. So I will show you first only the sentences and then you have to fill it. Okay? See, number 1. Nigel Naylor is a, then there is a blank. You tell me answer. Okay? Number 2 is Penny Proctor is a dash. If you know, remember it. Okay? When I will show you, at that time you have to see. Number 3. Peter Palmer has cows and sheep. Number 4 is Wendy Witter the kids. Number 5. People day and night. Okay? So now we will fill in the blanks. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Number 2 is Penny Proctor is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Number 3. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Number 4. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Number 5 is people work day and night. Okay, see now. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Wendy Witter minds the kids. People work day and night. Okay, children? So now we will learn, revise, true or false. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. You all know, no? He is not a farmer, he is a tailor. Number 1 is Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. Number 2 is Wendy Witter is a tailor. True or false? False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. She is not a tailor, she is a babysitter. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. People work day and night. People work day and night. The answer is true. Yes, they are working in day and night. Why? To make the world go round. Okay. So number 3 is people work day and night. True. Number 4 is people don't work at night. People don't work at night. That is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 5. See now true or false all at once, not number 5. From 1 to 4. 4 true or false only are there. Okay children? So first I will show you the sentences and then you have to give me the answer. Okay, you have to speak in your mind the answers and then I will show you. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. Number 2 is Wendy Witter is a tailor. Number 3 is people work day and night. Number 4 is people don't work at night. Okay, see now. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. You all know, no? You have done in your homework. You have completed your fair book. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. This is false. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Wendy Witter is a tailor. This also is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 3 is people work day and night. See? People work day and night. True. Number 4 is people don't work at night. That is false. Okay children? So you all have done in your fair book, know this? See now. Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. See, I am showing you. Can you see? Nigel Naylor is a farmer. False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. Wendy Witter is a tailor. False. People work day and night. True. People work day and night. True. People don't work at night. False. People don't work at night. False. Okay, now rhyming words. See rhyming words. Now you all know rhyming words. Rhyming words are, they are having same sound. Very good. So 2 rhyming words are there in this poem, no? Shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Number 2 is ship. S-H-E-E-P. Ship. So shirts, hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Shirts, hurts. Sheep, asleep. Sheep, asleep. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts, hurts. See, listen carefully. Shirts, hurts. Shirts, hurts. Number 2 is sheep, asleep. Sheep, asleep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep, asleep. Okay, sheep, asleep. See the spelling? A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. Okay children? Very good. So now you all are doing well. So now we will revise question answers. Here the pictures are given. So now I will answer these questions. You have to answer questions in short, okay? So answer these questions. Question 1 is, name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. So do you know the name? See, from the picture only you will be able to answer. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Answer is cows, goats and sheep. See, answer 1 is, these are the picture of cows. This is picture of goat and this is picture of sheep. See the spelling. C-O-W-S. Cows, goats, G-O-A-T-S. Goats and sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay, children? You all now know, no? Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. See, I am showing you. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Answer 1 is cows, goats and sheep. Okay? See, listen carefully, understand the questions and then write answer with correct spellings. Okay? See, question 1. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Answer 1 is cows, goats and sheep. Okay? Name the animal that Peter Palmer has. Cows, goats and sheep. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Cows, goats and sheep. Now question number 2. See. What do people do to make the world go round? Question 2 is what? See here the people, they all are smiling. W-H-A-T. What do people do? What do people do? To make. M-A-K-E. Make the world. W-O-R-L-D. World. Go. G-O. Go. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Okay? Question 2 is, what do people do to make the world go round? See, now I will show you the answer. Answer 2 is, people work day and night to make the world go round. But you have to write in short. People work day and night. See the spelling how you have to write. P capital. P-E-O-P-L-E. People work. W-O-R-K. Work. D-A-Y. Day. A-N-D. And N-I-G-S-T. Night. People work day and night. People work day and night. Okay, children? Question 2 is, see, I will show you question 2. What do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2 is, what do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2 is, people work day and night. Okay, children? Now see, we will learn all question, both the question together. See question 1. Question 1. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Cows, goats and sheep. Cows, goats and sheep. Okay, children? Question 1 is, name, N-A-M-E, name the animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals that Peter Palmer has? Answer 1 is cows, goats and sheep. COWS, cows, GOATS, goats, and sheep. Cows, goats and sheep. Okay children, name the animal that Peter Palmer has: cows, goats and sheep. Question number 2. See question 2. What do people do to make the world go round? What do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2 is people work day and night. People work day and night. See, I will show you. Question 1. You have seen question 1. Name the animal that Peter Palmer has. So, answer is cows, goats and sheep. Question 2. See, I will show you. Can you see question 2? Very good. What do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2 is people work day and night. Okay children? See now. Again, question number 1. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Answer 1 is cows, goats and sheep. Question 2. What do people do to make the world go round? See question 2 I am showing you. Can you see? Highlighted. See. Okay. So read it now. What do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2 is people work day and night. See answer 2. Okay. People work day and night. People work day and night. See again we will read this. Okay. Answer these questions. You all know this. What is the poem name? Poem 8. People work. So these are the question answers of people work. Poem 8. We will just read question answers. Question 1. Name the animals that Peter Palmer has. Answer 1 is cows, goats and sheep. Question 2. What do people do to make the world go round? Answer 2. People work day and night. People work day and night. Okay children, so now you all have completed this also. Learn these question answers very well. Learn answers, try to read questions, understand it and then give answer. Learn answer well with correct spellings. Okay, so you have to write with correct spellings. Spellings you have to be correct. Okay, write the word with correct spelling and in proper line. Okay children, so now you all have completed your fair book as well. You have completed now poem 8 also. If you have not completed, complete it well. Okay children, so complete your fair book, read the lessons, read the PDF I am sending it to you. Okay, children? And do your homework with good handwriting. Okay? Very good. Thank you.